Welcome back to Lighty Boss YouTube channel, and I hope you're all doing very well. The last time that we met, I made a video on how you can create a YouTube channel, or how you can create a YouTube channel for yourself. I understand me. And I think the last time I showed you how you can create your own YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can upload videos on your channel after you have finished with the creating of your channel. How you can access the platform of your channel, and also how you can upload upload videos on your channel. I can understand me. And also I will show you how you can copy your link and then share it to friends and colleagues, so that they can watch and then also subscribe and also benefit from your videos. So stick and stay, like this video, and then also share this video fast. Thank you very much. So without wasting my ado, let's begin with how you can access your YouTube channel. So as you can see on your screens, I have already opened my browser. Here, as you can see on your screens. So what I will do here right now is to go to YouTube. So I'll type youtube.com. I'll type youtube.com and then hit enter. Then I'll hit enter, which will then take me to YouTube straight away. Let's give that a few minutes for it to load. Yes, let's give it a few minutes for it to load. So this is the first place that you go when you want to access your YouTube platform. You first have to go to YouTube before you can gain access to your YouTube channel platform, where all the necessary things that have to do with uploading videos and then updating your profile will be done. I can understand me. So the first thing that you need to do when you want to access your YouTube channel platform is just to go to YouTube. So as you can see, it's still loading. So let's give it a few minutes for it to load, and then we will continue with our lesson. So we are going to wait for it to finish loading, and then we will continue with the video. So now, as you can see, we are right now at YouTube. As you can see on your screens, we are right now at YouTube, as you can see on your screens. So after this after you have come here, so this is YouTube, as you can see on your screens. So what you're going to do is just to click on this menu right here. This menu right here, you're going to click on it. Then there's going to be this drop down menu. As you can see on your screen, there's going to be this drop down menu. So you click here, and then this drop down menu will be shown. I hope you understand me. So when you see this drop down menu, for you to be able to access your YouTube channel platform, you're going to just click on this second option, which is YouTube Studio. You're going to click on this second option, which is YouTube Studio. So I'm going to click on it. Then it is going to take us to our YouTube channel platform. I understand me. This is going to take us to our YouTube channel platform. So the first step is just to go to YouTube, click on the menu at the right top of your browser. There a drop down menu will appear. Then you click on YouTube Studio, which will then take you to your YouTube channel's platform. I hope you understand me. So as you can see, our YouTube platform is now showing on our screens here. As you can see, now we are at our YouTube channel platform. I hope you understand me. So this is where we can do all or monitor all our activities at. This is where we can upload our videos, look at how many subscribers that we have, and then this is the platform where you can also take a look at the number of views that we have gotten on each particular video that we have uploaded in here on our YouTube channel. I hope you understand me. So right now, what I'm going to show you right now is how you can upload videos on your YouTube channel. So as you can see right now, we are at our YouTube channel platform here. So for you to be able to upload videos on your YouTube channel, you come here. You follow the cursor. You come here. There is showing an arrow, and then as you can see, it says upload videos. So you click on this arrow showing up. You click on this arrow. So you're going to click on it, and then this pop-up menu will appear where it will help us to go and fetch the video that want to go and that want to come and upload. So when this top-up menu appears, you click on select file. So this is where you're going to pick the video that you want to upload. So let's say I have a video here. Let me use let me try and use this, and then let's say this is the video that I want to upload. Let's say this is the video that I want to upload on my YouTube channel. I'll just select it and then click on open, and as you can see, it is uploading to our YouTube channel. So in here is where you're going to name the video or give it title the video that you want to upload, whether it is how you can create this, or how you can make this, or any title that you want to give it to your video. This is where you're going to type it, and then you're going to give it a little bit of description now and what the video is about. If you understand me. And then we come down here. This is where you're going to upload a thumbnail. A thumbnail talking about it's something like let's say a cover picture. Yeah, something like a cover picture. That's what you're going to upload here. Let me come down a little bit and show you another thing here. So this is where you're going to select whether the video is made for kids or if it is not meant for kids. So right now you select it is not meant for kids. Then you will click on this. So this is where you're going to select whether you want to restrict how you want to restrict your video and all those stuff. So we're going to click on more. So in here is where we want to add our tags. Let's see, the video is about Microsoft lessons or anything, then you're going to select. In here is where you're going to select the language of the video. This part is not necessary. You're going to select the date that this video was made, and then the location in which you are, whether you are in Canada, Ghana, Nigeria, wherever you are. This is where you're going to select your country or your location. Have you understand me? And then this is where you're going to select the category of the video, whether the video is a comedy, whether the video that you made is comedy or is an educational video or entertainment or any of these options here. Then you select. Have you understand me? So this is how you can upload your video. You just follow the steps right here, and then you click on publish for you to publish your video. So let me see if I can come to the last option. Yeah, so you see another last option, which is visibility. We have private, unlisted, and then public. Make sure when you go to this last option, you select public, because you want your video to be public, so that everyone can watch your video. Hope you understand me. So when you get here, when you get to visibility, you just select public, so that anyone who wants to watch your video can take a look at your video and then watch and then subscribe to your channel. Hope you understand me. So this is how you can upload videos on your channel. Hope you understand me. So the next thing and then also the last thing that I want to show you is how you can update your profile. If I talk about updating your profile, I'm talking about describing what this channel is all about, and then give me a brief explanation about what this channel is about. So for you to be able to do that, you need to click on this icon at your left, as you can see here. You click on it. This will then take you to then bring you to this page where you can be able to make all your where you can edit all your profiles, where you can add your pictures, your profile picture, and then all those stuffs. So as you can see here, you don't have any description here, because this is a new channel that we created. So for you to be able to edit your profile, whereby you can add your videos, and then whereby you can add your pictures, and then a little description about yourself, and then for the channel, you click on customize channel, as you can see here at the top right. You click on it. Let's wait for a little while for it to load. So as you can see here, so you click on continue. So as you can see here, this is where we can make changes to our profile picture by adding our pictures, talking of our profile pictures, and then where you can write or explaining or put in a little explanation about ourselves, and then about or what the channel is about. Have you understand me? So for you to do that, you will come to basic information. You come to basic info. So as you can see, it has the name of the channel, RI Comedy, and then you come down here, you have the handles, and then this is where, and also we have description here. So this is where we can add a little description about ourselves and then also about the channel. I you understand me? And then we come down a little bit. So this is our YouTube channel URL. So as I mentioned earlier, that if you upload a video that you want to share to a friend for them to watch, you can either copy this URL of your channel and then send it to a friend who wants to watch your videos, and then so that when he clicks on it, he can get all your videos on your channel and then watch them. I can understand me. So this is the URL of your channel, and then we also have links over here where you can link your Facebook account to your channel, where you can link your Instagram account to your channel, and then any of the social media handles, you can link them to your channel right here, as you can see a link. And then we have contact info. So this is how you can add either your Gmail account. Basically this is your Gmail account. This is how you can add your Gmail account, and then so that if any of your subscribers want to contact you for, let's say, business deal or anything, they can contact you. I can understand me. So this is how you can make all those this is how you can put all those your descriptions and then your links and then your contact info at. And then the next one is branding. So under the branding, this is where you can upload your profile picture right here and then your cover picture. I can understand me. So with your profile picture, it has to be at least 98 by 98 pixels. I can understand before you can upload your profile picture here. And then for your cover letter, it has to be 2048 by 1152 pixels before you can upload your cover picture. I can understand me. So this is where you can come and then add your pictures, and then also you can come here and also write a little description about yourself and then what your channel is about. I can understand me. So this is what I wanted to show you about. This is what I wanted to show you guys today on how you can access your YouTube channel platform, and also how you can upload videos on your channel, and then also how you can add your profile pictures, cover pictures, and then also write a little bit description about yourself. I can understand me, about yourself, and then about the channel. I can understand me. So you can only write a little description about the channel, or you can write a little description about yourself, or both yourself and then the channel. I can understand me. So without wasting much ado, we are going to end this video here. This is where we are going to end. Thank you for watching this video and also subscribing to this channel. Thank you very much, and then see you in the next video.